going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on this 2000 Ford F-150. And so the problem is we're having a problem with this latch. It won't release the door. It won't open inside or out, neither one of the handles. Okay, so this door's got two latches. Okay, two latches. So as you guys can see, we've gotten the top piece out. There's really only two Phillips screws that hold this latch for this window, and the rest of our clips that just pop out. You can use one of these common panel poppers to remove it. And here you're gonna have two Phillips screws. You have one clip and one 10mm bolt we're gonna be removing now. When you go to remove the door panel, once you remove the 10mm bolt, pull out and pull up. As you can see, these four slots here are for these clips, which when you pull up, they pop out. So let's see what's going on. So as you guys can see, we got the door open. The problem seems to be back here. This cable back here. Okay, so that goes here. This one, if you guys can tell, this one works. All right, that pulls the bottom latch, which goes to here. The problem was with the top one, which is this one right here. It's broken. I can see that the cable's broken, so we will need to get that cable replaced. Got a better shot for you guys. Right there, it's broken, and that attaches to there, which is broken, which doesn't cause the latch to release. All right, so let's figure out what we're gonna do. All right, as you can see, we've put the door back together. Check out this handle right here. So we just kind of made a temporary fix for now. We're gonna order the part and have the customer come back once we get it delivered. So thank you guys for watching. That might be able to help you guys out, and stay tuned, subscribe,